There are steps in order to achieve this mirror reflection. The first one you're going to do is to go to your file, click on new, I'm going to change it to pesos. I'll be using 1/200 for the weight. Same thing for the height. Then I click on OK. So the second step you're going to do is to go to your pen bucket tool. You click on it. So I'll be taking my foreground color. Click on the foreground color. I'll pick a darker gray and I'll click on OK. Then I'll snap it on the background. It automatically change to a darker color, which seems to be black. Then I'll drop the pen bucket another step I'm going to do will be I'll go to where I have my cutouts. This is a cutout of an image I want to use. You can watch my other videos on how to make a cutout using pen tool or quick selection tool. Then I'm going to drag this cutout to the place I'm making my mirror-like reflection. Adjust it to the middle. Good. The next step you're going to take will be you have to create a duplicate of that layer and then the layer of your image by right clicking. You click on duplicate layer. You can rename the copy, but I'm going to leave this way. Then you click on OK. Another step you have to take will be on that same duplicated layer. You'd right click it again. Then you convert that layer, which is the duplicated layer, to smart objects. So, having done that, the next thing you are going to do on your keyboard, you press Ctrl C for free transform. You can easily do this free transform by going to edit. You click on free transform, but I've already done that. That is why you see the free transform on the edit marked. Having done that, you click on the image and right click on it. You click on the flip vertical. You have a duplicate of that same image, and that duplicate will serve as your image, reflected image rather. you drag it down. On your keyboard, you enter by pressing the enter key. Having done that, the next thing you're going to do will be, you cannot do anything on this duplicated layers because it's already converted to smart objects, except you want to flatten the image, and we are not going to do that. So what we're going to do is to add a layer mask, and a layer mask is like a square shape with a circle at the middle. You add your layer mask. With this layer mask, the next thing we're going to do is to go to my gradient tool. I'll click on my gradient tool. I already have the desired color I want to use, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to do it again. I have this and I love the way it is, and I'll click OK, and this is black white. I'll click OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do on that same layer, I'm going to click from my keyboard. I click the Ctrl+T, which is the free transform. I will identify this points here, something like this at the center. I'm going to drag it to this point. The next thing I'll do, I'll click on my keyboard the enter key. Now I'll hold my shift key on the keyboard, I'll tap, then I'll make a straight line. The reason for this shift key is to make a straight line. Excuse me. Then that's it. Do you notice something? You can see that the image down here changes. Immediately we did that. It looks as if it's a reflection. Good. Now to make it more realistic, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new layer. And to create a layer is down here beside the trash can. So I'll click on the create new layer, then I have a new layer. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my brush tool. I'll pick my brush tool, which is in 200 pixel. I love it the way it is. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my color picker. I'm going to pick a brighter color, which I already have in pink here. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now I'll place the brush here. Good. What did you notice? It looks as if the paint is on top of the image. Not to worry. What you're going to do, you're going to go to your blade layer, to click on overlay. Do you see it snapped on it, and the face of the image on the background came out looking more stylish. What I did in the up, I'm also going to do down, because I want it to look realistic. Do you see that? Wow. And the person on the image was like, wow, is this me? Wow. So I hope this tutorial helps you to achieve what you want to do. Like whenever you want to make a reflection of an image. So I would love you to subscribe on my channel for my other videos and click on my red notification bell for new videos. Still Solo Wizzy Academy. Thank you and bye.